Here we have a Cheng key milling machine. We have it hooked up to 220 volt 3-phase power and also to 120 volt for the work light. And go ahead and turn on that light. Okay, first we're going to show you the travels. It's got a side-to-side travel. Okay, it's got forward and back. And it's got the up and down. And then we'll go up. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and turn it on here. We want to show you it's got the collets in there. It's got a collet type. And we're gonna go in both directions. And then we'll go the other direction. Okay. It's got a brake over here, so when you hit the brake, you can see where it stops, and then you move the brake back, it'll start back up. So I'll move it one more time here. So we'll move it, and then you look over here, and it'll stop it. So that's your brake, okay? Got the manual feed. Okay, it's got your auto feed right there. So it's coming down on its own until it hits this. And then that's where it stops, and you can adjust this piece so you can travel further. Okay, that is a Cheng key milling machine.